Dementia is a long-term progressive condition that people live with, often for many years, and for much of that time in their own homes in the community. In our research programme called IDEAL, we've recruited a large group of people with dementia and their family carers. And what we're trying to do is to get a really comprehensive picture of all the things that enable people to live well with this long-term condition.
About 30% of people with dementia live in care home settings across Western Europe and North America. These can be challenging environments for people with dementia. Staff often have limited training.
We've been focusing in particular on personalised interventions. In those interventions, we work with people who have dementia in the mild to moderate stages to identify what they want to manage better or to achieve. And then we use evidence-based rehabilitation strategies to help them to do those things. We tested that approach and we found that we could improve people's ability to manage their everyday activities.
Initially, our work focusing on quality of life in care homes very much focused on antipsychotic use, because at that time about 50% of people with dementia living in care homes were prescribed typical antipsychotic drugs, and we showed in some initial clinical trials that we could actually halve the use of these drugs with better staff training.
WELD is the Improving Wellbeing and Health for People Living with Dementia in Care Homes study. It's really about getting to know each person as an individual, what their interests are, their preferences, and then reflecting these in all aspects of the care that we provide.
It's the first of its kind to show benefits in improving the quality of life and mental health of residents living with dementia in care homes and reducing antipsychotic use.
It's not impossible for people with severe dementia to have good quality of life, but it takes work, it takes a focused approach. And that's really been the sort of unifying approach across our different care programs, is how we personalise that to the right individual.